என் பொண்ணோட லைஃப்ல மிகப்பெரிய டேர்னிங் பாயிண்ட்னா இவளை நான் சிஎஸ்சில டாலி கோர்ஸ் படிக்க வச்சதான்.
எஸ், எங்க இன்டர்வியூ போனாலும் வேல்யூபிள் சர்டிபிகேட்ஸ் இருக்கான்னு கேட்பாங்க. ஆனா நான் சிஎஸ்சில ஜிஎஸ்டியோட டாலி படிச்சேன். அதான் ஈஸியா ஜாப் பிடிச்சேன்.
நீங்களும் சிஎஸ்சில ஜிஎஸ்டியோட டாலி கோர்ஸ் படிங்க, ஈஸியா ஜாப் பிடிங்க.
CSE, largest tally authorized institute.
Welcome back to Tiger Max channel. Let us continue the previous session. We are discussing total derivative of a function in two variables. Okay, right? Now let us take this problem. If u is a function, if u is a composite function of x and y, where u is equal to u cos, where x is equal to u cos alpha minus b sin alpha, and y is equal to u sin alpha plus b cos alpha, show that dou square z by dou x square plus dou square z by dou y square is equal to dou square z by dou u square plus dou square z by dou v square. Right? Solution. Right. So what is given? Z, sorry, here it's not u, z. Okay. Right. Z is a function of x and y. So what is given? So given z is a function of x comma y, isn't it? So this implies we can find out dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. It exists, isn't it? You can find out, isn't it? Right. Now, what is x? X is equal to u cos alpha minus b sin alpha. So, what are the variables in the right hand side? U and v. Treat alpha as a constant, okay? Right? So, u and v are the variables in the right hand side. So, I am going to take partially differentiate. I am going to differentiate partially with respect to u and v. So, dou x by dou u. What is dou x by dou u? U becomes 1. 1 into cos alpha, cos alpha. This entire term becomes 0 because it's a constant term. Same like that, dou x by dou v is equal to, going to differentiate with respect to v, this term becomes 0, this becomes 1, minus 1 into sin alpha, it becomes minus sin alpha. Right? Same like that. And then, what is y? So y is equal to u sin alpha plus v cos alpha. This implies dou y by dou u is equal to what? U becomes 1 sin alpha. And then dou y by dou v. Isn't it? This term becomes 0. V becomes 1. 1 plus 1 into cos alpha becomes, sorry. So this becomes 1. So plus 1 into cos alpha becomes cos alpha. Right? Just we are going to differentiate with respect to u and v, not by alpha. Okay, right? That's all. So after find out all these three values, okay, now let us go to find the right hand side value and equate to the left hand side. Right? So dou square z by dou u square. Now to find dou square u by dou u square, first I am going to find by dou z by dou u. Right? So what is dou z by dou u? This can be written as, start with here, isn't it? Dou z by dou x into, come to the x, dou x by dou u, isn't it? Plus dou z by dou y into dou y by dou u. That's all. Right? So keep the first term as same into what is dou x by dou u? Cos alpha. Plus dou z by dou y into what is dou y by dou u? It is sin alpha. Isn't it? So this is the value of dou z by dou u. I call it as equation number 1. Right? Same like that, we can cancel that z on both sides. So it becomes dou by dou u is equal to what? Cos alpha into dou by dou x plus sin alpha into dou by dou y. Call it as equation number 2. Now I am going to find out the value of dou square z by dou u square. So dou square z by dou u square. This can be written as dou by dou u of dou z by dou u, isn't it? So dou by dou u of dou z by dou u. This can be treated as product, dou by dou u into dou z by dou u. So taking the product between 1 and 2 in the right hand side. Okay, right? So that is equal to what? Therefore dou square z by dou u square is equal to, what is dou by dou u? The value of dou by dou u from 2 is cos alpha into dou by dou x. Cos alpha into dou by dou x plus sin alpha into dou by dou y into, what is the value of dou z by dou u from 1? Dou z by u from 1 is this. Okay, cos alpha into dou z by dou x. Cos alpha into dou z by dou x plus sin alpha into dou z by dou y. Now I am going to take the product between the two. So cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha into dou square z by dou x square plus cos alpha into sin alpha or sin alpha into cos alpha. Cos alpha into sin alpha into dou square z by dou x dou y plus, take this product between these two, sin alpha cos alpha into dou square z by dou y dou x plus sin square alpha into dou square z by dou y square. I call it as equation number 3. So this is the value of dou square z by dou u square. Similarly, I am going to find out the second term, dou square z by dou v square in the right hand side. Okay. So now dou z by dou v is equal to, let us start with the dou z. So dou z by dou x, dou z by dou x in x with respect to v, right? So dou x by dou v plus dou z by dou y into dou y with respect to v, dou y by dou v, right? So that is equal to dou z by dou x into, what is this value of x with respect to v? Minus sin alpha plus dou z by dou y into, what is y with respect to v? Cos alpha, right? So this is the value of dou z by dou v. I call it as equation number 4. Same like that, by cancelling z, you can get it, dou by dou v is equal to minus sin alpha into dou by dou x plus cos alpha into dou by dou y. I call it as equation number 5. Right? So now I am going to find out the second term in the right hand side, dou square z by dou v square. Okay, that can be written as dou by dou v into dou z by dou v, isn't it? So what is the value of dou by dou v from 5? This is. What is the value of dou by dou z from 3, 4? This is. So take the product between the two. I write it here. Minus sin alpha into dou by dou x plus cos alpha into dou by dou y into dou z by dou v, that is minus sin alpha into dou z by dou x plus cos alpha into dou z by dou y, isn't it? So taking the product between the two, right? So that is equal to, what is this value? Right? Minus, I am going to multiply the first term with these two terms, minus into minus plus sin alpha into sin alpha, sin square alpha into dou square z by dou x square, isn't it? Then minus sin alpha with is cos plus tan. So minus sin alpha cos alpha into dou square z by dou x dou x dou y, and then taking the product between this term with these two terms. Okay, so plus into minus, right? Plus into minus cos alpha sin alpha into dou square z by dou y dou x and then plus cos square alpha into dou square z by dou y square, right? I call it as equation number 6. Equation number 6. This is the value of dou square z by dou v square. Now adding 3 and 6, isn't it? So 3 plus 6 implies. So 3 is here, 6 is here. Add both of the two, you can get the right hand side. So dou square z by dou u square plus dou square z by dou v square in the left hand side, isn't it? Take the sum of these two. That is equal to what will become the right hand side? So dou square u, first term cos square alpha into dou square z by dou x square, and then this positive term is cancelled with this negative term. Same like that, this positive term will cancel with this negative term, right? So the remaining term is plus sin square alpha into dou square z by dou y square, isn't it? So these two terms are remaining in 3, and also these two terms are remaining in 6. So plus sin square alpha into dou square z by dou x square, and then plus cos square alpha into dou square z by dou y square, right? From these two terms we can take dou square z by dou x square as common. So what will remain? What is remaining? Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha into dou square z by dou x square, plus same like that. What is remaining in the next two terms? The same sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is remaining after taking dou square z by dou y square as common, right? So what is the value of the terms inside the bracket? 1 by trigonometric identity. Cos square alpha sin square alpha becomes 1. So remaining, so dou square z by dou x square plus dou square z by dou y square. So this is the value of dou square z by dou u square plus dou square z by dou d square. Thus we update this value. Okay, so that's all. So most important problem in B question, right? And equal to with the left hand side, right? At solution. So what is given? Z is equal to f of x comma y, isn't it? From that we can find out dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y, isn't it? So dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y exist, isn't it? Next one, what are the other terms given? X equal to r cos theta, isn't it? So here there are two variables in the right, r and theta. So I am going to do differentiate x partially with respect to r and theta. So dou x by dou r is equal to r becomes 1. So cos theta. Same like that, dou x by dou theta becomes cos theta becomes minus sin theta. So minus r sin theta. Same like that, what is y given in the problem? Y is equal to r sin theta. This implies dou y by dou r is equal to what? R becomes 1. So 1 into sin theta, and then dou y by dou theta becomes sin theta becomes cos theta. So r into cos theta is the derivative value of dou y by dou theta, right? So now I am going to find out the right hand side value. So dou z by dou r, right? So dou z by dou r is equal to, so let us start with dou z. So dou z by dou x and dou x by dou r plus dou z by dou y into dou y by dou r. Okay, substitute the values. Dou z by dou x into what is dou x by dou r? Cos theta. Okay, carefully substitute the values. Dou y by dou r. Dou y by dou r is sin theta. So right. So this is the value of dou z by dou r. Right. So now I am going to take the square of that value. No need to find the second order derivative. Just take the square of the first order derivative. So this is the first order derivative dou z by dou r. So I am going to take the square of this value. Therefore, dou z by dou r the whole square is equal to, right? So this can be treated as a plus b the whole square form, isn't it? Cos theta into dou z by dou x plus sin theta into dou z by dou y the whole square. So this can be written as a plus b the whole square form. So we can expand it into a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what is a square? Cos square theta into dou z by dou x the whole square plus b square sin square theta into dou z by dou y the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2 into product between these two. So sin theta cos theta into dou z by dou x into dou z by dou y. I call it as equation number 1, right? So now I am going to find out the next one. What is dou z by dou theta? So now dou z by dou theta is equal to dou z by, start with dou z by dou x into dou x by dou theta, right? Plus start with dou z by dou y and dou y by dou theta, isn't it? So dou z by dou x and the value of dou x by dou theta is minus r sin theta, minus r sin theta plus dou z by dou y into what is the value of dou y by dou theta? Dou y by dou theta is r cos theta, right? So this is the value of dou z by dou theta. Now I am going to divide it by r, right? Or otherwise taking this r into left hand side. Both are same. So 1 by r into dou z by dou theta is equal to, this r will be cancelled. So minus sin theta, minus sin theta into dou z by dou x plus cos theta into dou z by dou y, isn't it? Now I am going to take the square. We need the square of the value, right? So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides becomes 1 by r square into dou z by dou theta the whole square is equal to, this can be written as cos theta plus cos theta into dou z by dou y minus sin theta into dou z by dou x the whole square, right? So I write the negative term at the second, that's all, right? Now it is of the form a minus b the whole square form. Expand it through a minus b the whole square form, a square plus b square minus 2ab. What is a square? Cos square theta into dou z by dou y the whole square plus sin square theta into dou z by dou x the whole square minus 2 times sin theta cos theta into dou z by dou y into dou z by dou x, right? This is the value of 1 by r square into dou z by dou theta the whole square. So call it as equation number 2. Now I am going to add 1 plus 1 and 2, right? So what is in the left hand side of 1 and 2? So dou z by dou r the whole square plus 1 by r square into dou z by dou theta the whole square is equal to. So now I am going to add these two. So from the first two, right? First I am going to write on the task 1 plus 2. So this is the right hand side of 1. So cos square theta into dou z by dou x the whole square plus sin square theta into dou z by dou y the whole square. And then the third term is same as the negative term in the equation 2. So adding both of the two, both will cancel to each other. So the remaining term in the right hand side of 2 is this. So cos square theta into dou z by dou y the whole square plus sin square theta into dou z by dou x the whole square, isn't it? So we can add this with this and add this to this, okay? So in the first term, from the first and fourth term, dou z by dou x the whole square is common. So after taking dou z by dou x the whole square as common, so what is remaining in the first and fourth term? Cos square theta plus sin square theta plus, from the middle term we can take dou z by dou y the whole square as common. So after taking common, the remaining terms or sin square theta plus cos square theta. So this is the value of 1, right? So dou z by dou x the whole square plus dou z by dou y the whole square into 1. That's all. That is in the left hand side of the proof. Okay, right? That's all. Next one. If z equal to f of y minus z, comma z minus x, comma x minus y, isn't it? Show that dou z by dou x plus dou z by dou y plus dou z by dou z equal to 0. Right? Solution. What is given? Z. Z in the form of f of u comma v comma w, where u is equal to y minus z and v is equal to z minus x and w is equal to x minus y. Right? So z is equal to f of u comma v comma w, isn't it? So from that we can find out dou z by dou u. Three variables are in the right hand side. Dou u, dou z by dou v, dou z by dou w exist. Right? So from what is given in u is equal to y minus z. This is in place. Here there are three variables involving in the right hand side, but here only 2 is appear in the right hand side, but x is missing, isn't it? From in the next one, v is equal to z minus x. Here also 2 variables involving, one is absence. Okay, y is absence here, x is absence, here z is absence. But in general, there are it treat it as 3 variables are in the right hand side. So we are going to take partially u with respect to x, y and z. So dou u by dou x is equal to what? 0. Dou u by dou y becomes 1. Dou u by dou z is equal to minus 1. And v is z minus x. This implies dou v by dou x is minus 1. Dou v by dou y is equal to 0. Dou v by dou z is equal to 1. And then w is equal to x minus y. This implies dou w by dou x is equal to 1. Dou w by dou y is equal to minus 1. Dou w by dou z is equal to 0. Right? Now I am going to find out the first value, dou z by dou x. Now, dou z by dou x. Dou capital Z, isn't it? Don't confuse with small z. Okay? So, dou z by dou x, isn't it? This can be written as dou z by dou u into dou u by dou x plus dou z by dou v into dou v by dou x plus dou z by dou w into dou w by dou x. Okay? What is this value? Dou u by dou x, dou z by dou u into what is dou u by dou x becomes 0, isn't it? Plus dou z by dou v into what is dou v by dou x minus 1 plus dou z by dou w into what is dou w by dou x is 1. So dou z by dou x is equal to what? Minus dou z by dou v plus dou z by dou w. We call it as equation number 1. Similarly, so here u and v are in cyclic order, isn't it? Isn't it? U and v are in cyclic order. X, Y, Z. What do you mean by cyclic order? Replace x by y and y by z, z by x, you can get all the terms, isn't it? Look at here, y minus z, that is replaced by y is replaced by z. Y is replaced by z and then this z is replaced by x. Same like that in this term, z is replaced by x, isn't it? And then x is replaced by y. So all these three terms are in cyclic order. So we can write it general form of the remaining two terms, dou z by dou y. No need to find out it, okay? Dou z by dou y. Similarly, you can write it dou z by dou y is equal to, so x is replaced by y, isn't it? Same like that, x, y, z. So you need to replace x by y and y by z and z by x, you can get the remaining two values. So dou z is common, dou z is common by dou v square. V is here, isn't it? So here I am going to replace u, v, w, right? U with u by v, v by w and w by u, that's all. So v by w, it is in minus term, isn't it? So plus dou z by w, w by u. Similarly, dou z by dou z is equal to minus dou z by w is replaced by u plus dou z by u is replaced by v. That's all. So Cartesian equation number 2 and this is equation number 3. Add 1 plus 2 plus 3. You can get dou z by dou x plus dou z by dou y plus dou z by dou z is equal to 0. Isn't it? Add all these terms, minus dou z by dou v is here, plus dou z by dou v is here. Both will be cancelled each other. Plus dou z by dou w is here, minus dou z by dou w is here. So both will cancel each other. Here, these two are in opposite sign, isn't it? Dou z by dou u and minus dou z by dou u. So both will cancel each other. So no terms are remaining in the right hand side. So it becomes 0. So very simple problem. Okay. Right. Next one. If u is equal to log of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, show that dou by dou u of dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z the whole square into u is equal to minus 9 by x plus y plus z the whole square, right? Right. So what is given? What is given in the right hand side? So what is given? U, right? So u is equal to log of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z, isn't it? Right? So there are three variables in the right hand side, x, y and z. So now I am going to differentiate u partially with respect to these three variables x, y, z. Okay? Right? So this implies we can find out dou u by dou x is equal to what is log of this is chain rule function. Okay? So 1 by x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz into derivative of the terms inside the bracket with respect to x becomes 3x square. Second term, third term becomes 0 because the term independent of x treated as constant. So 0, 0 minus 3 into x becomes 1. So 1 into y z, isn't it? Simply I can write it as 3yz, isn't it? So that is equal to 3x square minus 3yz by x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z, isn't it? So this is the value of dou u by dou x, right? Same like that. What is similarly? What is dou u by dou y? The denominator is same. We can replace x by y, y by z and z by x. So 3y square minus 3zx by x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Same like that, dou u by dou z is equal to, similarly here, y becomes z, isn't it? Minus 3, z becomes x becomes y by x cube plus y cube plus z cube. If you go for find out as usually by dou u by dou x type, you will get the same answer, right? So I call it as equation number 1, I call it as equation number 2 and equation number 3. Now I am going to add all these 3. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3 implies, so dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z is equal to, here look at the right hand side, the denominator is common to all these 3 terms, so we keep the denominator as x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z, right? Add 3x square minus 3yz plus 3y square minus 3zx plus 3z square minus 3xy. Okay, right? Now we can take 3 as common from the numerator, right? So I rearrange the terms. Okay, so x square plus y square plus z square minus okay yz, isn't it? xy minus xy minus yz minus zx, right? Divided by the same value x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z, right? So 3 into x square y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx divided by x a. This is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Through through algebraic identity, this can be written as x plus y plus z, a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, right? Minus yz minus zx, right? Simply you can keep it into your mind as x plus y plus z into the value of the numerator. You just write it. No need to memorize that formula for a cube plus b cube plus b c cube minus 3abc. So this is the value of a plus b plus c into the numerator. Just we can cancel the 2 terms on both sides. Okay, so the value in the right hand side as x plus y plus z, 3 by x plus y plus z is the value of dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z, right? Now I am going to differentiate this with respect to x once again. Now I am going to differentiate with respect to x both sides partially. Okay, so dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z, okay, equal to, what is in the right hand side? This is in the form of 1 by x. What is the derivative of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square, right? So minus 3 by x plus y plus z the whole square into derivative of x plus y plus z becomes 1, isn't it? Right? Similarly, that no need to write that 1, okay? Right. Similarly, dou by dou y of dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z equal to what? The same minus 3 by x plus y plus z the whole square. Dou by dou z of dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z, that is equal to minus 3 by x plus y plus z the whole square. The right hand side with respect to y, you will get the same one, minus 3 by x plus y plus z the whole square into these become 0 plus 1 plus 0, so it becomes 1. So all these three derivatives with respect partial with respect to x, y, z will get the same in the right hand side, right? Now I am going to add all these three. Right? I call it as equation number 4 and this is 5 and this is 6. Now I am going to add 4, 5, 6 to get the answer. That's all. Right? So 4 plus 5 plus 6. 4 plus 5 plus 6 implies. Okay. In 4 plus 5 plus 6 in the left hand side of 4, 5, 6, this term is common between all these terms, isn't it? So we can take this as common. So what is remaining from all these three terms? Dou by dou x is remaining if we take it as common. If we take this as common, dou by dou is remaining. Here, if we take this as common, dou by dou z is remaining. So what is remaining? Dou by dou x remaining in the first term plus dou by dou y is remaining in the second term and dou by dou z is remaining in the third term. Right? What is common? Dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z. Right? Add, right? If we add all these three, the denominator is same, so we can add the numerator. So minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 becomes minus 9 into, right? So minus 9 by x plus y plus z the whole square, right? So what is in the left hand side? In the left hand side, u is common in all the three terms in the inside the bracket. So we can take it as common. So what you will get? So dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z into dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z into u is equal to minus 9 by x plus y plus z the whole square, isn't it? So, right? Comparing these two terms, both are same, isn't it? Dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z. So this can be written as dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z the whole square into u is equal to minus 9 by x plus y plus z the whole square, right? Thus we get the result. Dou by dou x the whole square plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z the whole square into u is equal to this one, right? Thus the result is obtained. Okay, so right. So up to this problem, we completed almost each and every problem in total derivatives of a function in two variables. Okay, in the next session we will go to discuss Jacobians. Okay, the most important one topic that will be very useful in changing the order of integration, multiple integrals. Okay, so we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.